Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful candle. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world with just a few strokes. You can create a delicate flowers, powerful ideas. Drawing a candle is easy and fun. Start by sketching a tall, straight line for the candle body. At the top, draw a small oval and circular form the flame. Connect the flame to the body with a simple way line to show the flickering light, and some drips by drawing small downward curves along the candle sides. You can make it funky by adding details like a holder or a plate underneath. Don't forget to color the flame in a warm, bright color like yellow or orange. Now you have a cozy and charming candle drawing. Thank you so much. You watching my video.